Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Crypto Gcash, easy method. Open your Gcash app and verify your ID, then enable 2FA and link a card to fund the wallet. I will walk you through buying, selling, and sending crypto with clear steps and simple terms so you feel confident. Follow the on-screen prompts and double-check addresses before confirming any transaction to avoid mistakes. To buy crypto, open the Buy Crypto section and choose the coin and amount you want to purchase with PHP. Confirm the displayed fees and exchange rate so there are no surprises, then approve the payment using your linked card or wallet balance. After the purchase completes, check the Crypto tab to see your updated holdings and use the built-in history to track transactions for peace of mind and simple record keeping. When sending crypto, paste the recipient address carefully and consider a small test transfer first to confirm delivery. To receive crypto, copy your Gcash crypto address and share it only with trusted senders, and include any memo or tag if the network requires it. Always double-check network compatibility and confirmations, and watch transaction status in the app so you know when funds are settled into your account and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.